.5 on that boy. Yeah. Mark, say what up. I got that .5 on it. That .5 on it, yeah. Yeah. We rocking this boy.
Sway.
Yeah, we get that drop.
Oh, we stuck.
No, it's just, woo, is that it?
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it's it.
No, it's one more drop, I think. No?
No, that's it.
Okay, bet. So we just got off of Seven Doors Mine Train ride. Super lit, super amazing, super demure.
Very mindful.
Very mindful.
Very demure.
Mark, say what up. What up to the cam? Yup. That's Mark. We'll pop this in later. I'm recording. not the paparazzi smile. Not the. We're trying
Now we're stuck. Now we're stuck.
Mark trying to spit some